Have you received an invoice for inventory purchased and need to capture it? Log in to Unity Enterprise with your username and password. Navigate to Inventory and then select Purchase Orders from the available features. To start a purchase invoice, click on the Create New Purchase Invoice icon. This icon looks like a page with a plus sign. Complete the invoice details screen by completing the following information. 1. Purchase location. Should you have more than one location where you store inventory, you have the option to purchase straight into that location. 2. Supplier. Select the correct supplier from the drop-down. 3. Invoice date. Capture the date of the invoice. 4th, invoice reference. Capture the invoice number or reference for reporting. 5. Invoice totals. Capture the exclusive total, tax total, and inclusive total amounts as printed on the invoice. The module uses this to compare what was captured to help display if the products captured matches with the total supplied. Click on Submit once completed. The purchase invoice should then be available to start adding your purchased products. Click on the plus icon to add a line to the order. This will allow you to add products based on the order you have received from the supplier. Simply click on the drop-down or start typing the name of the product. Select the desired product from the available ones within the drop-down. Next, add the correct quantity and line totals. Keep an eye on your cost price column to ensure you enter the correct information. Encountering a product that has no tax? Simply toggle between the options within the tax rate column. Need to return a product? Just change the line action from receive to return within the line type column. You can even use the issue column to instantly issue the captured product within the line to other stock locations. Can't find any of these columns. Just navigate to the column chooser and add or remove any columns that does not apply. Once you have added all the products, the total section at the bottom will display any differences between the captured total and the calculated total. Should you be happy with all the information captured, click on the double tick or finalize purchase invoice icon. Finally, select the collection or period that you want to add this purchase invoice to. Please note that should you purchase into a period that already has a stock take recorded, it will not update the closing stock value. Once completed, you have the option to save a copy of the finalized purchase invoice should you wish to.